Wow, is that milk on your shirt, or are you just happy you bought some Chainlink? Wow, Chainlink's price continues to pump, even heading up to our target here. We'll show you a realistic price prediction over the next 2 weeks for what Chainlink could achieve, and as well, we'll talk about a realistic price prediction for Chainlink by the end of this year. Chainlink has now overtaken Bitcoin Cash as the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, and there are some even speculating that we will be taking over XRP before the end of the year as well. We'll show you how likely that is and what price Chainlink would have to reach as of today in order to achieve that. And wow, we'll be talking about what is behind Chainlink's absolutely explosive rise, with so many people warning that we could be seeing a 50% slash in Chainlink's price very shortly, and we have others speculating as well that it's just absolute moonage. And as well, we'll be taking a look at some shorter term indicators to indicate where Chainlink's price could be going over the short term. Wow, what is going on, Squirty Squadron? Welcome back to another late night Thursday webisode. We have to delve into Chainlink today as it completely continues to blow everything out of the water. My portfolio is absolutely leaking, gushing right now. Somebody plug this thing up. We're going to be going over some realistic price predictions for Chainlink by the end of the year, some price predictions to overtake XRP and get into the top 3 cryptocurrencies, because guys, there is a lot going on with this cryptocurrency. And as well, we're going to be talking about what exactly is going on with this cryptocurrency. Does Chainlink deserve to be in the top 3? And is it realistic by the end of this bull cycle or even sooner? Maui wow, you guys. Thanks so much for joining me. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, turn on the dings so you get notified when we post. And as well, if you're interested in winning a ledger, make sure to drop your comment below. And guys, we have a special announcement at the end of the webisode, so you're definitely going to want to stay tuned if you're interested in things like this and some other really ooey gooey things as well. Wow, guys, so Chainlink is still following this fractal that we first talked about 2 weeks ago on this channel, and it's been absolutely exploding. I'm actually shocked at this point. But guys, before we get into a lot of this Chainlink information, there's something you have to know. Everybody that's been in crypto for only the past 2 years, you've been in a bear market only, and bull markets can be much more bullish than you could ever imagine. Guys, I remember back in 2017 when people were putting out predictions of 3,000 and 4,000 US dollars per Bitcoin, and people were thinking, you know, that's impossible. Then what do? We go to 5,000, 10,000, and then 20,000 US dollars, absolutely blowing everything out of the water, absorbing so much market cap. And I distinctly remember one of the main reasons that the price slowed down is not because people didn't care about Bitcoin once it hit 20K. It's because it got so clogged, it got so slow. Transactions were expensive. It took people forever to move things out. The technology itself needed time to grow and adapt. And here we are in 2020, guys, bigger and better and ready for some of the biggest gainers you could ever imagine. So guys, with that being said, we're going to be talking about a price prediction we talked about recently, but I also just want to preface this by saying these price predictions could be extremely low. We had people saying we might be able to hit 15 US dollars per Chainlink by the end of the year. Guys, we hit $18 per Chainlink today. Everybody has been saying for days and days, I mean, this thing needs a pullback, right? This thing needs a pullback. And realistically, it probably does, but we're not getting one, and we haven't gotten one yet. I still think it's likely, but we just have not seen that just yet. And I definitely think we're going to be seeing a 3-digit Chainlink in this cycle without a doubt. Let the goo reign true, guys. So Chainlink overtakes Bitcoin Cash between DeFi bubble and $32 price prediction here, published by Reynaldo on Crypto Newsflash. Chainlink has overtaken Bitcoin Cash, BCH, and has managed to position itself as the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. We go over to CoinMarketCap, guys. You can see right here, Chainlink market cap over 6 billion US dollars, up over 15% in the last 24 hours. Look at that, guys. Massive gainers. So the strategic positioning of Chainlink and the growth of the DeFi sector are among the reasons for Link's rally here. So guys, let's take a look at this. Link is trading currently above actually 18 US dollars at the time of me recording this, up over 30% in the last 24 hours at the time of this article being written. Within the last week, Link has managed to break through important resistance to reach a new all-time high. For about the 100th time when Link dips, it usually outperforms every other asset on each bounce. And guys, this is no doubt adding to the fire and the fuel to get this thing pumping. Everyone is talking about Chainlink. They have for weeks, and this thing has just been exploding. As Bitcoin's been kind of trading sideways over the last few days, and most other altcoins as well. Chainlink, the only coin in the top that has been absolutely exceeding expectations day after day after day. Every time it cools down and you think, okay, maybe over the next 24 hours we're going to get a pullback, what does it do? It goes and makes new all-time highs again. As he says here, I expect Link to see new highs soon, but many will keep watching in disbelief. It says here, the analyst did not hide his enthusiasm for Link, and his predictions did not fall short of expectations regarding the performance of the crypto. After Link exceeded the market cap of Bitcoin Cash, Rager even explained that Link will displace Tether and take the place of XRP as the third largest cryptocurrency, guys. You can see XRP here, market cap currently of about almost 13 billion US dollars. And that basically would only represent Chainlink doubling its current price, okay? From about 6.3 billion to about 12.6 billion to put us basically right exactly where XRP's spot is here. And that would actually roughly equate to that $32 per Chainlink price prediction here. You know, if we had a 12 billion roughly dollar market cap, that would be roughly 32 to 36 dollars per Chainlink here. This might sound crazy, but guys, just a few days ago, Chainlink was nowhere near where it is now, okay? It's been absolutely exploding day after day after day. But many people are asking, when will this run slow down? So guys, Masari researcher here actually noted that Chainlink has done more though than just make announcements. The platform has managed to show tangible results. I've had people comment and saying, well, what exactly is Chainlink doing? Why is it pumping? Is there any reason, or is it just vaporware? Over 30 projects have fully integrated Chainlink data feeds, most of which went live within the last month. Chainlink has quickly become the de facto choice for DeFi platforms and applications looking to outsource their Oracle needs. And then we do have that prediction of the 32. Analysts predicting $32 per Chainlink. He also shared the hype about Link is Timothy Peterson. The expert recently shared a bullish prediction via Twitter and stated he expects Link to continue the rally to 32 US dollars. However, he does state here, did some quick analysis of Chainlink's network growth rate and historical deviations in price, put Link at $32 by the end of the year. Investors who buy at high levels risk losing 50% of their investment or more, most growth priced in already. So what he's saying is most of the growth has happened, but as you'll see in this next article we're going to talk about, published only 2 days ago, they were extremely far off and they had Chainlink maybe hitting $15 by the end of this year, yet we still have over 4 months of this year and we've already hit above 15 US dollars. So guys, what is behind the meteoric rise of Chainlink? If we scroll down here, Chainlink has been making partnership and integration announcements nonstop this year. Although adversity is no stranger, guys. If you think back just a few weeks ago, there was dubious reports penned by Zeus Capital that called Chainlink a scam and crypto's version of Wirecard. They also claimed they were building a short position in Link with a 99% profit target. They were basically saying Chainlink is going to zero. And unlike Yams, you guys, I definitely do not think that is anywhere near the trajectory Chainlink is going. In fact, I think it's the exact opposite, to the absolute moon. But let's talk about why Chainlink has value. So the decentralized finance space has been all the rage in crypto world this year, with some comparing it to the ICO bubble. The total ETH value locked in DeFi has exploded from just over $1 billion 2 months ago to over almost $5 billion by this month. Most, if not all, DeFi applications require some sort of price data feed. A robust, preferably decentralized feed is essential to the prosperity and security of most DeFi apps. The lack of such feed has led to a number of well-documented debacles. Since Chainlink is the best-known player in the space, it stands to win the most from the growth of the DeFi space. And guys, without question, Chainlink is the most popular it's ever been. Popular interest in Chainlink is an all-time high in the US and globally, according to Google Trends. The overall market sentiment plays an important role in crypto price dynamics, guys. Most of this market is psychology-based. And as much as we say keep emotions out of the market, guys, I mean, to be honest, most of markets are actually emotion-based. They are mostly based on human psychology. The only reason technical analysis works is because everybody looks at the same charts, at the same patterns. And again, it kind of is like a self-fulfilling prophecy. These charts are much more psychology-based than they are math-based. And guys, here we have Namrata Shukla of AMB Crypto posting this article here. I want to show you this. The attached chart pointed to a sharp rise in the price of the digital asset over time. At press time, Link's chart was forming another strong, long green candle with its value noted to be $17.22. At the time of writing, however, there were no bearish patterns evolving on this chart. As per the Bollinger Bands, the divergence of the bands pointed to a great volatility in the market, whereas the low-lying signal line suggested upwards pressure was still high. So guys, as you can see on this chart, Chainlink has been in basically an ascending channel ever since 2017, really. And it seems we're actually repeating a fractal that we have, if we put it all the way back to here, back in roughly the summer of last year. It looks as though Chainlink is still repeating this exact thing here, guys. And actually, we have a lot of support, I think, roughly around that $10 area if we will get a pullback. But I also do think it is possible, exactly what this chart shows, right around that $32 price target very shortly here. I think we could even see that by the beginning or middle of next month of September of 2020. Guys, keep in mind, we have to recognize the entire environment that cryptocurrency is in right now and is the beginning of an absolute bullish explosion for Bitcoin and the entire cryptocurrency market. So with that being said, a lot of coins are going to start exploding. A lot of coins, even garbage ones, are probably going to have some decent gains. But the good projects and the projects that should have value are going to see much, much bigger gains. As we said in yesterday's video, it's not about picking projects that make you money, because in a bull market, it's going to be pretty easy to pick out projects that are going to make you money. The key in a bull market is picking out the projects that are going to make the most money for you and maximize your profit. For example, I could maybe invest in Mommy Coin and make a 5x over the next year and a half, or I could invest in one of these coins that actually has a real use case and a ton of hype behind it and maybe make a 25x or something ridiculous, right? And guys, every day that Chainlink finds support after small pullbacks and continues to pump, double-digit percents, is just more and more validation that this coin is primed for absolute moonage throughout the rest of the year, okay? Is it actually similar to what Ethereum did back in 2016 and 2017, going from, just a few dollars to 4-digit price levels? With that being said, I wouldn't be surprised to see Chainlink actually surpass $30 this year, okay? As it already has surpassed so many price predictions just over the last few months, I wouldn't be surprised to see Chainlink absolutely explode much past that. As well, we have some people predicting that Chainlink could gain more value than Ethereum, which actually sounds ridiculous to think about considering Chainlink and Ethereum's relationship. And in terms of market cap today, Chainlink could be worth $100 per Chainlink and still be worth less than Ethereum, roughly a market cap of about 35 billion, with Ethereum's current market cap about 44 billion. So technically, if Chainlink was $100, it would still be third place on the cryptocurrency market cap list. And guys, the most exciting thing is that nobody actually knows just how fast and just how high the price of basically any cryptocurrency could go. Is it possible that Chainlink doesn't reach 100? Absolutely. Is it just as likely that it could reach that same price target, guys? Absolutely. That's the most exciting part, is that literally nobody knows 100%. It's such a new market. It has yet to be determined exactly the value of some of these coins. And with a coin like Chainlink with so much hype behind it, guys, I can only imagine what this cycle and even just the rest of this year will bring. Wow, absolutely huge, guys. So we do have an announcement, but first, if you're interested in getting T4, make sure to sign up below where you get 15% off if you put in the code millions at checkout. If you're interested in learning charting, trading, getting access to my portfolio and updates, then that's exactly what you should sign up for T4. Wow, and guys, for a limited time only until August 23rd, so about 10 days, Bybit has sponsored a special event only on this channel where if you deposit 0.05 Bitcoin, you don't even have to trade it. If you sign up with the link below to Bybit and you deposit 0.05 Bitcoin, you're entered to win 0.1 Bitcoin, a Bybit Ledger Nano X, and 3 people will also be winning Bybit hoodies. But guys, this is only for the next 10 days. It is only if you deposit 0.05 Bitcoin, but you don't even have to trade it. On August 23rd, they're going to be reaching back out with the winners of the giveaway. And wow, we'll announce it then. So if you're interested, guys, make sure to sign up with the link below.